Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna make a custom main menu that one of you asked me to do, so let's begin. First we're gonna make a variable called firstStart, or whatever you want to call it. Make it a boolean and set it equal to true by default. Then comment the options that you don't need, like awards, donate and mod options. I will remove credit too cause I don't need it. Go to for each statement and add the code that I will put in the description. So basically this code make a tween to make the menu button move when you start the game. And at the end of for each statement, just put the variable that we made equal to false. And if you want to change the variable name, just replace firstStart with your variable name. For saving time and not repeating the same code again, we're gonna add a switch statement for I. So case 1, menuItem.x equal to your menu positions. So you will take time for adjusting the positions. My friend has already make a menu positions, so I am gonna just copy the code that he made. Thanks point. Because we have an array, so the first index starts from 0, 1, 2 and so on. So the case 0 is the first index. After the variable that we put equal to false, comment the line under FlxG.camera.follow. And search for spr.screen and comment the line. If you have another one, comment it too. And make a function that called override function beat hit, then add an if statement and make the condition beat %4 equal to, and what happen? Write FlxG.camera.zoom equal to 1.02. So that make the camera zoom for each 2 beats. Then build the game. If you have this problem, go back to the code that I will put in the description and remove the variable that called finishedFunnyMove. Build the game. And finally we have made a custom main menu. It isn't that creative but it's good. So like and sub. Bye bye.